Hello, it's your boy Miguel from Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. If you own a Buick or a Chevy, Traverse, Arcadia, blah, 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 this is where your battery's at. If you're in an emergency and you need to jump this car, or I'm sorry, this SUV, this is your negative, this is your positive. Back it up from the vehicle. Here's the front of the engine, passenger side, positive, negative. That's how you would jump this vehicle. To take the battery out, you will push the seat back. Put the seat forward as this vehicle is. Take this cover off, which is sitting right there. There's your battery. It's a real stinker, but there it is. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.